Hello students, in this session we are going to see about 8255 Programmer Peripheral Interface Programming Modes. So programming mode, there are two types of programming mode in 8255. First one is mode 1, in which the status word for mode 1 input configuration and output configuration is given for group A and B from D0 to D7. IBF is the input buffer full. INTR is the interrupt request. INTE is interrupt enable. OBF is output buffer full, and INTR interrupt request. INTE interrupt enable. The second programming mode is mode 2, as port A is programmed to be bidirectional. Port C is for handshaking. Port B can either be input or output in mode 0 or mode 1. For 8255 from PC0 to PC7 and PA027, which is bidirectional. The mode 0 is for in and out, mode 1 for STB, IBF, INTR. This is the interfacing cable which is used to connect the input and the control devices. Interfacing of keyboard. This is how the buttons in the keyboard are connected to the interfacing circuit 8255 from PA0 to PA7, PB0 to PB7, PC0 to PC7, which is port ABC, and D0 to D7 for data transfer, and read write A0 A1 and reset buttons with the CS and the logic controller. On row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 determines switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 star hash in column 1, column 2 and column 3. So this is the cut section of keyboard having buttons. The interface of the LED display for output devices is given. The 8085 is connected to 8255 interfacing circuit. In between that there is an address bus, data bus and control bus. Data bus is bidirectional. Address bus sends data to the encoder, decoder, and the control bus sends data to the 8255, in which port A, port B and port C are not used, and the signals are sent to LED display, in which there is CL, clock, back and anode, which is connected to plus 5 volt with the reset plus 5 volt at the bottom. So binary, number 5 is binary and number 5 will be masked depending on the position of the numbers. Hexagonal value is 9 to H and port value is 8 into 2K4 and plus 5 volt is given, which is shown in the diagram. ADC interface is analog to digital converting interface, in which analog input signal is given and binary output is taken. Pin diagram for ADC 0808 is given with 28 pins, in which 26, 27, 28 is analog pins, 23, 24, 25 is address line, and 21 to 17 is digital bit with 15, 16 digital bit second bit, and the first bit is 14th pin. Output control is the 9th pin, and SOC and EOC are pin 6 and 7. DAC is from digital to analog converting interface, in which the binary input is converted to analog signal output. The pin diagram for DAC is given with current switches 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with address A1 to A8, and NPN transistors current source is given with the reference circuit amplifier. Interfacing diagram for DAC, entire circuit from 8085, 8255 and DAC is connected with the I to V converter. So this is the diagram representing the data transfer and from the address bus and the data bus transfer between 8085, 8255 chips. Temperature control uses temperature sensor, which converts temperature to electrical signal by thermistor. A transducer converts physical data into electrical signal, and physical data like temperature, light, flow, speed, etc. LM34 and LM35 are temperature sensor by National Semiconductor Corporation. LM34 and LM35 difference is given, in which output voltage is linearly proportional to Fahrenheit. LM35 is proportional to Celsius temperature. No external calibration in LM34 and 35. 10 megawatt for each degree on Fahrenheit and centigrade is given. So this is the connection between LM34 to LCD display, in which there is a chip at the center which is connected to 8, 9, 10 to 13. Stepper motor control interface. The digital motor used to translate electrical pulse into mechanical movement. The center tap winding connected to 12 volt supply, and the motor can be excited by grounding floor terminals into windings. The rotor is a stepper motor having permanent magnet rotor. It is also known as shaft, and the step angle is the minimum degree of rotation associated with a single step. So this is a diagram representing the stepper motor having a motor case, and A and B are stators in which coils are wound, and center is a permanent magnet. Stepper motor interface is given with transistor diagrams, and the stepper motor is coiled to X and Y, which is sent to PA0, PA1, PA2 and PA3. This is the excitation table for step 1, H1, H2, H3, H4, step 2, step 3, step 4 and repeatedly from step 1. Traffic light control system allows from west to east and east to west transition for 20 seconds. Give the transition period of 5 seconds. Yellow bulbs will be on. Allow the traffic from north to south and south to north for 20 seconds. Give the transition period for 5 seconds. Yellow bulbs will be on, and it will repeat the process. So this is the traffic light control system interface, in which R, Y, G are red, yellow and green bulbs. The connection between R, Y, G is shown in a circuit. Thank you.